Dembell Motorhome is a compact and versatile recreational vehicle that offers a convenient and comfortable way to travel and explore the great outdoors. With its sleek design and well-thought-out features, the Dembell Motorhome is perfect for individuals or families looking for an adventure on the road. Inside, you'll find all the amenities you need for a comfortable journey. The motorhome is equipped with a cozy sleeping area, a compact kitchenette, and a functional bathroom. There's also ample storage space for all your gear and supplies. The Dembell Motorhome is designed with efficiency in mind, making it fuel efficient and eco-friendly. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, this motorhome is a fantastic choice to experience the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort and convenience. In summary, the Dembell Motorhome is a compact and versatile RV that offers a comfortable and efficient way to travel. With its small footprint and well-equipped interior, it's the perfect companion for your next adventure. A masterpiece in motion, Marathon Coach 1363 is a 2024 H345 double slide filled to the brim with features hand-chosen by its owners. Textured with dark neutral shades and a hint of blue, custom coach pops against the overcast Pacific Northwest backdrop. Soft accent lighting paired with illuminated panels ensure every corner is well lit. A fireplace gives warmth and energy to the inside, perfect viewing for those cooler days and snuggling under a blanket with a hot drink. An expansive pantry hidden behind an illuminated art door and the large fridge creates plenty of space for cooking materials as the camouflage dishwasher, covered stove, and wine cooler round out the very custom galley. Rough-cut tile adds texture to both water closet backsplashes, while smooth walls in the roomy shower are guarded by a special sliding door and feature an illuminated panel. Two substantial closets in the bedroom, one with a door-length mirror, allow for plenty of clothing to travel without wrinkling. The Starliner SL25 is a luxury motorhome built on the Iveco Daily chassis. It is known for its spacious interior, high-end finishes, and impressive off-road capabilities. The SL25 has a gross vehicle weight rating of 7.5 tons and a cargo carrying capacity of 2 tons. It is powered by a 3.0L turbo diesel engine that produces 180 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. The motorhome is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system with locking differentials. The SL25 has a spacious interior that can sleep up to 6 people. It features a queen-size bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and 2 pop-top bunks. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jetvan luxury conversion is the epitome of sophistication and comfort on wheels. This remarkable conversion takes the already impressive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and transforms it into a luxurious and versatile travel experience. The Jetvan's interior is a masterclass in opulence. Plush leather seating, custom woodwork, and ambient lighting create an ambience that rivals top-tier hotel suites. The spacious cabin offers ample room for passengers to stretch out and enjoy the journey. Entertainment options abound, with state-of-the-art audiovisual systems, including flat-screen TVs, a premium sound system, and even a mobile office setup for those who need to work on the go. This conversion also pays attention to the finer details, with high-quality materials used throughout and customizable options available to suit individual preferences. Safety features are not compromised either, with advanced driver assistance systems ensuring a secure and worry-free ride. Winnebago Forza. The Winnebago Forza is a Class A motorhome that offers the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and versatility. With a variety of floor plans to choose from, the Forza is perfect for couples, families, and groups of friends who want to enjoy the open road in style. The Forza is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis and features a Cummins ISB 6.7L turbocharged diesel engine. It also comes standard with a number of safety features, including anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control. Inside, the Forza is just as impressive as it is on the outside. The spacious living area features a comfortable sofa, a theater seating system, and a large TV. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to prepare and cook meals on the go, and the bedroom has a queen-size bed and plenty of storage space. The Forza also comes with a number of standard features that make it even more comfortable and enjoyable, such as a central vacuum system, a washer and dryer, and a fireplace. The 2023 Mercedes Sprinter Delano 24RW motorhome is a Class C motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It is a popular choice for RV enthusiasts who are looking for a small, lightweight, and easy-to-drive motorhome with all the amenities of a larger unit. The Delano 24RW has a single slide-out and a spacious interior that can sleep up to 5 people. It features a queen-size bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and a cab-over bunk. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The Delano 24RW is powered by a 3.0L V6 turbo diesel engine that produces 188 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. The motorhome has a gross vehicle weight rating of 15,250 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 4,220 pounds. Tesla CyberTruck. The CyberTruck has a distinctive, angular, and futuristic design. It features a stainless steel exoskeleton and armored glass windows, giving it a unique appearance that departs from the traditional look of pickup trucks. Tesla has announced multiple configurations for the CyberTruck, including single-motor, dual-motor, and tri-motor options. These variants offer different levels of performance, with the tri-motor variant expected to be the most powerful and quickest, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds. Tesla has claimed impressive electric range figures for the CyberTruck, with some models expected to offer over 500 miles of range on a single charge, depending on the battery configuration. The interior of the CyberTruck is expected to be modern and tech-focused, with a minimalist design and a large central touchscreen display for controlling various vehicle functions. The Onyx VW Crafter LWB luxury campervan is a bespoke conversion by Reset and Chill Campers. It is a truly luxurious campervan with a high-end finish and all the amenities you could need for a comfortable and stylish road trip. Based on the Volkswagen Crafter LWB van, the Onyx has plenty of space for up to 3 people. The layout features a large wet room with a hot shower, a removable toilet, and a sink. There is also a fully equipped kitchen with a gas hob, fridge freezer, and sink. The main living area has a comfortable sofa bed that converts into a king-size bed. There is also a single cab bed, which is perfect for a child or guest. The Onyx is also well equipped for all-weather camping. It has a night diesel heater, solar panels, and a 220Ah battery bank, so you can stay off-grid for days on end. There is also a dog crate, so your furry friend can come along on your adventures. The Alkoven 1200 is a luxury motorhome built by Vario Mobile, a German manufacturer of RVs. It is a Class A motorhome, which means that it is built on a commercial truck chassis. The Alkoven 1200 is based on the Mercedes-Benz Actros 2542 LLL, which is a 3-axle truck with a gross vehicle weight rating of 26,000 pounds. The Alkoven 1200 is 49 feet long and 12 feet wide. It has a spacious interior that can sleep up to 6 people. The sleeping arrangements include a queen-size bed in the rear bedroom, a double-sized bed in the dinette, and a single bed in the cab-over bunk. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The interior is finished in American cherry or walnut wood, with white satin furniture fronts and soft glossy surfaces. The motorhome has up to 4 slide-outs, which extend the living space when parked. The XXL car garage can accommodate a small car or motorcycle. Cigar Lounge electric vehicle van build. Building an electric vehicle for a cigar lounge involves several key considerations. First, you'll need to choose an appropriate base vehicle that can be converted into an electric vehicle. This could be a van or a similar type of vehicle with enough space to create a comfortable lounge environment. Next, you'll need to install an electric drivetrain, including a battery pack and an electric motor. This will power the vehicle and allow it to run emissions-free. Make sure to calculate the range you'll need for your specific use case, taking into account the weight of the vehicle and the energy consumption of the lounge equipment. Inside the lounge, you'll want to create a comfortable and luxurious atmosphere for cigar enthusiasts. This may involve custom seating, climate control, and a ventilation system to ensure proper air circulation. Additionally, you'll need to consider lighting, sound systems, and storage for cigars and accessories. The Bruder EXP-7 is a high-performance off-road camper trailer designed for extreme adventures. The EXP-7 is built with Bruder's lightweight and immensely strong composite materials, allowing it to handle 5 times its own weight and almost any terrain. It also features Bruder's patented chassis and suspension system, providing ultimate performance in all towing aspects. The EXP-7 is also designed to be comfortable and luxurious. It features a spacious interior with a full kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. The kitchen is two-way, meaning it can be fully open for outside living or closed off for indoor cooking. The bathroom features a shower, toilet, and sink. The sleeping area has a queen-size bed and plenty of storage space. The EXP-7 is the perfect camper trailer for those who want to go off-road and explore the most remote and challenging places. It is well-built, well-equipped, and comfortable, making it the ideal choice for adventurers who demand the best. The SLRV Expedition Vehicles Isuzu FT-S800 4x4 Crew Cab is a luxury off-road camper that is perfect for exploring the most remote and challenging destinations. It is built on the Isuzu FT-S800 chassis, which is known for its reliability and durability. The camper is powered by a 5.2L turbocharged diesel engine that produces 215 horsepower and 457 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system. The FT-S800 4x4 Crew Cab has a spacious interior that can sleep up to 6 people. It features a king-size bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and 2 pop-top bunks. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The 2024 Newmar London Air Motorhome is a luxury coach that is perfect for those who want the best of the best. It is available in 5 floor plans, all of which are 45 feet in length and feature a rear bath and cathedral ceiling. The London Air is built on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins X15 605 horsepower engine. It comes standard with a number of safety features, including comfort drive steering, on-guard collision mitigation technology, adaptive cruise control, and automatic headlights. The interior of the London Air is just as impressive as the exterior. It features high-quality materials and finishes throughout, and there is plenty of space for passengers to relax and enjoy the journey. The living area has a large sofa, 2 recliners, and a coffee table. The kitchen is equipped with a stainless steel refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bedroom has a queen-size bed and a dresser, and the bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The 2024 London Air is a great choice for those who want a luxury motorhome that is perfect for long road trips. InTech unveils new O-V-R line of travel trailers. InTech is probably best known for its all-aluminum travel trailers, which are currently offered divided into a number of different model lines. There's a new addition to the family, and it has been designed for those looking for a maneuverable trailer that can be taken to even the most remote locations. The O-V-R series now makes its debut with 3 available options depending on the length and equipment. All 3 models are built around a fully welded cage and frame construction. The base O-V-R model is the Expedition, which starts at $58,380 and offers accommodation for up to 5 people. It's the smallest of the trio but still has enough space for a large living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable bedroom. There's also an optional power folding awning with wind detection, a slide-out kitchen for outside use, and a solar system that provides 400 watts of power.